Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Aussie dollar did make a pretty significant bounce at the 23% Fibonacci retracement. This area has been pretty important in the past, as you can see. I mean, support back here, resistance back here. So very, very important area. Now, one thing we need to keep in mind today is CPI inflation data. That's a very, very big news event. Definitely should cause a lot of volatility on pretty much all the dollar pairs and most of the pairs anyways. And we have to keep in mind that the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So definitely do not be surprised if this thing breaks structure to the upside and just continues the higher time frame trend. Now, I totally agree with anybody that says that this wave two, potentially wave one, and potentially wave two is way too small. You know, most wave twos do take out the low of wave four, which is why you would kind of think that it would go down to one of these lower fib levels. So if the news comes out and it makes a lower high, and a nice impulsive down, then you might want to get short, taking it down to the 38 or the 50%. If the news comes out and it does go up, and if it does give us a nice break of structure, like I said, we have to come to the conclusion that the higher time frames are still in an uptrend, and that the trend could easily continue up. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.